Good morning. It is Friday, my standard day off, and I gotta find things that I need to get done. I've got a lot of chores to do, and I know I'm testing the autofocus and the auto exposure on this, so I'm going through different rooms with different lightings. I got a lot of stuff that, besides my chores, I have some other stuff I need to get done. It's a dreary day out there today, so it's a chance of that fake snow and everything, and it's typical Mississippi weather. But we just gotta look and see look at this beauty out here. Isn't that enjoyable? Dreariness, doldrums. I don't know how people in Alaska can handle this stuff like this, but this is how it is today. I changed my office around because I got squattered down to nothing. I had this whole room at one time, and now I have nothing but a small table, which I'm gonna have to move around. Lighting in here sucks. And this will be my setup from now. And this is it. I can actually work on some stuff. It's nothing but I can actually work on some stuff. It's actually just nothing but a small card table that I got from Sam's. And I'm testing out this mic this morning just to see how well it works. I bought these new wireless transmitter mics. No, I didn't buy the Rode. Didn't want to spend the money on it, and also because you have to buy all the accessories. This thing came with accessories. I'll do a product review over it later. I think today I'm going to work on some chili powder. Okay, what I've got here is some chili peppers. They're the New Mexico mediums, and I've got 112 grams of this one. I'm going to be blending it comparison with my Ninja versus my Vitamix. So we'll see which one grinds it up to chili powder I like. Okay? That's the consistency of the one that came out of the Ninja. As you can tell, it's a totally different because, it's a finer grind on the Vitamix. So, if you don't mind having the, it's a little grainier, but it's still fine. It's still fine powder. It's not as fine as this, but it'll do its job. But this is one of the reasons why I bought the Vitamix, is because it's able to do things like this. There you have it. I got almost 400 grams of New Mexico medium chili powder. So